You've been dieting, exercising, doing everything right, but somehow the scale refuses to budge. You feel like you're stuck in an endless cycle of frustration, wondering why your weight loss efforts aren't paying off. What if I told you there's one single ingredient, something hiding in your daily diet that could be sabotaging all your hard work? And the worst part, you probably eat it every day without even realizing it. Most people assume weight loss is simple: eat less, move more, burn fat. But here's the truth. They're missing a silent culprit lurking in their food. This ingredient triggers cravings, slows metabolism, and forces your body to store fat instead of burning it. Even if you're counting calories, exercising daily, and eating healthy foods, this one ingredient can block your progress completely. So what is it? It's refined sugar, but not just the obvious kind you find in cakes and sodas. No, the real danger comes from hidden sugars in foods labeled as healthy. Think you're safe because you avoid desserts? Think again. Sugar is everywhere. It's in your morning yogurt, your salad dressing, your protein bars, your so-called healthy smoothies. Even foods labeled low-fat or diet-friendly often contain more sugar than a can of soda. Manufacturers sneak it into everything because they know one thing: sugar is addictive. It lights up the same part of your brain as drugs like cocaine. That's why one bite leads to another, and another, and another. Ever wonder why you feel hungry even after eating a full meal? It's because sugar spikes your blood sugar, then crashes it, making you crave more food more often. Here's what happens when you consume hidden sugars daily. Your insulin spikes, forcing your body to store fat instead of burning it. Your metabolism slows down, making it harder to lose weight. You experience intense cravings, leading to overeating and guilt. Your energy levels crash, making workouts feel impossible. Even if you think you're eating clean, sugar can still sneak into your diet, sabotaging all your progress without you even realizing it. The good news? Once you eliminate hidden sugars, your body finally starts working with you, not against you. Here's what you need to do. Checkmark read labels carefully. Avoid foods with hidden sugars like high fructose corn syrup, dextrose, maltodextrin, and sucrose. Ditch the so-called healthy processed foods. Stick to whole, natural foods. Choose natural sweeteners wisely. If you need something sweet, go for options like monk fruit or stevia instead of artificial sweeteners. Balance your meals. Pair healthy fats, proteins, and fiber to keep blood sugar stable. Hydrate properly. Sometimes, sugar cravings are just dehydration in disguise. The moment you remove this ingredient, your body starts to heal. You'll notice less bloating, better energy, reduced cravings, and finally, weight loss that actually lasts. You don't have to be trapped in the sugar cycle forever. The secret isn't just cutting calories, it's knowing which foods are working against you. And if you're ready to take your weight loss to the next level, I've got something that can help. Check out this powerful, science-backed solution that helps your body burn fat more effectively. Don't let hidden sugar keep you from reaching your goals. Click the link and start seeing real results today.